Hey guys, welcome to Safi Mixed. In this video, I will let you know how to put an alphabet or a phrase in the subscript of within a paragraph. Yeah, that's quite easy. And here I use VS Code, and I assume that you understand that different tags in this code. And I want to put some text. Let's say this in the subscript, and the tag for the subscript is sub. If you enter this, I remove the closing tag from this position and put the closing tag at this position, and I right. So now this mistakes would be this phrase will be taken to the subscript of the in the paragraph. If I save the file and go to the folder and open the file with a browser, you see I increase the text size. This much text, this phrase is taken to the subscript. So this way you can write subscript by using the text sub within a paragraph. And thanks for watching Safi Mixed.